Hi everyone, welcome back to Hagerly channel. Today we're going to be learning about how to introduce others. Last time we've tried to cover how to introduce oneself. Whether you want to introduce your families or friends, these phrases will help you a lot. So get your pens, get your papers because we're about to start. While introducing others, usually we start with our families. So these are some words we use to describe our families. Father,
አባት
mother,
እናት
husband,
ባል
wife,
ሚስት
brother,
ወንድም
sister,
እህት
grandmother,
ሴት አያት
grandfather,
ወንድ አያት
parent,
ወላጅ
uncle,
አጎት
aunt,
አክስት
The Amharic language shows possessions by adding suffixes. For example, if you wanted to say my father in Amharic, you'd add different type of suffixes to different pronouns. If you wanted to say my father, you'd say abat, a. So the suffix is a and the word is abat. If you wanted to say your father, you would say abat, so the suffix is I. If you wanted to say her father, you'd say abat wa. For each type of pronoun, we add different types of suffixes. So let's see them together. My father,
አባቴ
your father, male,
አባትህ
your father, female,
አባትሽ
your father, formal,
አባቱ
his father,
አባቱ
her father,
አባቷ
his or her father, formal,
አባታቸው
our father,
አባታችን
You all's father.
አባታችሁ
Their father.
አባታቸው
How do you ask someone how many brothers and sisters they have?
To ask someone how many brothers and sisters they have, you would say, ስንት እህትና ወንድም አለ? If he's a male. If it's a female, you would say, ስንት እህትና ወንድም አለሽ?
So, when you said እህትና ወንድም, the word and is built with the word እህትና እና. Okay.
That's correct. If you wanted to ask someone, is that your mother? You'd say, ይቺ እናትህ ናት? Again, if it was a female, you'd say, ይቺ እናትሽ ናት?
Okay. Which begs the question, what if I wanted to ask someone, is this your father? How do I do that?
You'd say, ይህ አባትህ ነው? As you can see, the change starts with the letter this, which is ይህ. ይህ is used for a male. For a female, you'd say ይቺ. And again, if it was a female, you'd say ይህ አባትሽ ነው? So that changes too.
I get it now, thanks.
How do you say their father?
አባታቸው
How do you say his brother?
ወንድሙ
How do you say her sister?
እህቷ
How do you say your mother for male?
እናትህ
How do you say their uncle?
አጎታቸው
How do you say our grandfather?
ወንድ አያታችን
There are two ways to show possessions in Amharic. For example, if you want to say my father, you'd add a suffix at the end, that is a. The word for father is abat. When you add the letter a, it becomes abate. The next way is to add the letter ya, which represents yeni, which means mine. For example, if you want to say my father, you'd say yeni abat. But there's also another use for the word yeni. Yeni borsa ትልቅ ነው means my bag is bigger. It shows comparison in that your bag is bigger. You've done an amazing job today. We've covered a lot, from basic family terms to possessive forms. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, ciao.